Hello everyone, I'm Lavina. I'm going to share an exploding box project. For this, I'm gonna start with my 12 by 18 inch sheet of paper. So I really like to use 300 GSM sheet as you can see, and this paper has beautiful pattern. The first thing we were going to do is mark 13 centimeter, 26 centimeter, and 39 centimeter from the both sides, as you can say this. Now I'm going to score all the lines I have marked. As you can see this, I'm scoring all the lines to avoid the breaking of paper or cracking of this. This is a very good technique to avoid that. Now I'm going to cut sides of paper with scissor. So I have now made one cut here, and now I'm going to cut along my other score line, and I have made these three corners. For the fourth one, I'm going to use another same pattern sheet, as you can see this one. For the fourth corner, here I'm going to mark 13, 26 and 29 centimeter. You can also score directly, no need to make line with pencils. And after that, I'm gonna cut this paper strip. After this, I'm going to score all the marked lines with my tool. Now I'm gonna cut a square paper of 13 centimeter for the third corner and paste all the sides with my glue. After this, I'm going to make cap of my exploding box with this paper. For this, you need any small paper, and I'm going to mark 3 centimeter, 13.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter to make the lid of the explosion box. Here I have some chocolates with me, and on the back side I am going to use double-sided tape, or you can say sticky tape. The reason why I'm not using double-sided foam tape is it actually damaged my box, as it is difficult to remove the foam tape as compared to this sticky tape. And after this I'm going to remove all the stickers and paste it on my explosion box. As you can see, you can reuse this box after eating all the chocolates, and this is such a fun way to showcase your photos, or would be a really great gift. If you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel.